Hello and welcome to the Let's Build a Boutique YouTube channel. My name is LG and the purpose of this channel is to teach you everything you need to know about owning an online store. So whether you're just curious about what it's like to be an online boutique owner, we have a playlist available called A Day in the Life of a Boutique Owner that you might want to check out. Or if you are getting ready to open your very own online clothing store, I have a playlist called Open a Clothing Store Online that teaches you everything you need to know to open an online store. Lastly, if you have been open for 5 years or more and you're just looking for tips and tricks to help you out, we've got that too. So this channel covers everything from SEO, Facebook advertisements, marketing, fashion and style tips, trends from other online boutiques, and so much more. So if you're interested in learning everything you need to know to own your own successful online store, go ahead and subscribe and take a look at what we have to offer.